Kargil War. Kashmir is a beautiful region that resides in an extremely mountainous area containing some of the highest peaks in the world. Unfortunately, this amazing land has remained a constant battleground between the two countries of India and Pakistan. During the exceedingly cold winter months, both the Indian and Pakistani guards abandoned their post only to return back in the spring. However, during the winter of 1998 to 1999, a surprise attack took place from the Pakistan army and it became successful in crossing the line of control and into India's portion of Kashmir. Moreover, slowly and gradually they went on capturing one Indian outpost after another and held their position in Kargil. In February 1999, at the same time as the winter invasion, the Lahore Declaration was being signed between India and Pakistan, which was based on peace. After a few months, the Kargil War began between the two countries. The battles posed a huge challenge for the Indian forces as they had to fight on difficult mountainous terrain. In spite of this challenge, the Indian soldiers showed amazing bravery. After a long struggle, the Indian army became successful in pushing back the Pakistani forces across the line of control. By July 14, 1999, there were heavy casualties on both sides. However, the sacrifice of Indian soldiers was not in vain. The great struggle of the Indian army has carved a place in the heart of every Indian. The entire Kargil War was a time of tension and nervousness for the Indian people. It infused the spirit of national pride in every Indian. The Kargil War has become an unforgettable event in the history of India. Nevertheless, this was an event that brought about feelings of patriotism in the hearts of every Indian like never before. The brave struggle of the Indian soldiers will continue to be an inspiration for all the citizens of this country. Thank you for giving this great opportunity to share about our brave soldiers. Jai Hind!